We are certain that this event can provide many useful insights to safely navigate the insurance business throughout the current economy, while simultaneously address structural issues in Indonesia's insurance industry. To start off, we are certainly grateful with the fact that Indonesian economy has been able to show incredible resilience in the middle of the last year uncertainty period, which has been caused the combined effect in the post-pandemic inflation, geopolitical conflict, and tightening of monetary policy, especially in the advanced economies to manage the inflationary pressure. During 2022, Indonesian economy recorded solid growth at 5.31% year-on-year, which is higher in comparison to peer countries. Furthermore, as of February 2023, the inflation rate are still relatively manageable at 5.47% as a result of the synchronized monetary and fiscal policies with the intention to maintain the economic recovery momentum and mitigating the impact of the global social economic uncertainty. Favorable recent economic development, such as the reopening of China after lifting the zero-COVID policy and slower pace of interest hike due to the reduced inflationary pressure in the advanced economy, should also become a basis of optimism that Indonesia's economy will be able to continue its good form in 2023. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, during national economy recovery, general insurance and reinsurance asset and premium have been growing by 7.01% and 19.8% year-on-year respectively as of January 23. However, there is still potential uncertainty in the global economy, which could have the impact on the cycle of the insurance market. We estimate that the insurance market will continue to be in the hard market cycle due to rising costs of capital and higher exposure of insurable risks, especially those that are sensitive to economic conditions. Therefore, insurance companies should carry out the underwriting process in more prudent and disciplined manner to avoid the impact of deteriorating economic conditions on liquidity and solvency conditions. This is crucial to avoid the recurring case of mismanagement in regard to the credit insurance line of business during the time of crisis due to pandemic. And on top of that, it is essential for the insurance company to be fully aware of the insurance market cycle and use it as one of the primary considerations in the implementation of a business strategy. Ladies and gentlemen, the insurance industry itself is a highly competitive and regulated market, which require the insurance company to seek any competitive advantage to reduce costs and increase efficiency of the business operation. Company must have vigilant and remain flexible to identify new ways and emerging trends to manage margin and preserve capital by implementing sound decision-making processes and risk management strategies. Therefore, currently, OJK is conducting a study regarding the optimal equity requirement for the insurance company, which is not only essential to absorb the impact of the economic downturn, but also necessary to support the business development of the company. For example, the process of data collection, storage, and analysis is certainly crucial to ensure that the insurance company has the capacity to properly design insurance product, calculate the insurance premium, and setting the technical reserve. This is why it's important for the insurance company to engage with the IT innovation, such as cloud computing, enterprise data warehouse, and big data analytics in order to be able to optimize the use of data in supporting the effectiveness and efficiency of each key business operation. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, to support of information and digital technology also open the possibility to improve access to insurance products and services, and to overcome geographical challenges, which is enable the insurance company to reach out of the wider market. In this case, the use of technology to support the distribution of the insurance product and the provision of the insurance services should be able to help the insurance company to be more cost effective, while simultaneously offer insurance products which are suitable to the preference and profile of the potential customer. We believe that insurance technology, or InsurTech, will be a crucial driver for change as the insurance industry leverages technology for coming up with innovative risk financing solutions for reducing the protection gap and building a sustainable issue. However, one important note is on how to strike the right balance between optimizing the benefit of the IT utilization with the need to protect the interests of the customer. This is the reason on OJK's policy to regulate the digital distribution of insurance products, especially to avoid regulatory arbitrage between the InsurTech operator and the licensed insurance intermediaries. With this regulatory approach, the InsurTech operators must also get licensed from OJK and has the obligation to fulfill the regulatory requirement, which include minimum level of equity, type of insurance product that are suitable with digital distribution channel, and the implementation of IT risk management. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, on top of the challenges in terms of the financial capacity, OJK also emphasized on the importance of the implementation of good corporate governance principle with the insurance company. In this case, key business operations within the insurance company, such as data management, product design, and technical reserving, must be supported by capable internal actuarial function. Moreover, with the upcoming implementation of the IFRS 17 or PSAK 74, internal actuary will also play strategic part in terms of the financial reporting of the insurance company. Considering that the implementation of the PSAK 74 is crucial to enhance the credibility of the insurance company to all stakeholders, which include consumer, investor, and regulators, OJK intends to ensure the preparedness of insurance company to implement reporting standard. This includes the precondition for the insurance company to have the internal actuary as already stipulated in the insurance law and OJK regulation. From the perspective of the insurance product, OJK also appreciates the enactment of financial sector omnibus law, which acknowledged that the importance of the compulsory insurance to address the issue of insurance protection gap and to enhance the resilience of the overall society. In this regard, OJK is committed to be proactive in the discussion with relevant stakeholders to establish the regulatory framework on the implementation of compulsory insurance products, such as third-party liability auto insurance, fire insurance, property insurance against the risk of natural disaster, and event insurance. By linking product insurance schemes based on premium subsidies with private insurance solutions, insurance can foster economic and financial inclusion of vulnerable populations and transform livelihoods. In addition, in the context of disaster management, involvement of insurance mechanism can help the government to preserve its balance sheet in order to provide emergency disaster response through the provision of cash transfers. As one of the options, government can set up insurance pool with aggregates the insurers in a diversified portfolio. By retaining some the risk through reserve and capital, the government can cover the high frequency and low severity losses and transfer the less frequent and more severe losses to the insurance, reinsurance, and capital market. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, from the consumer perspective, the financial sector omnibus also stipulate the implementation of policy guarantee fund within 5 years after the enactment of the law. From time to time, there are potential risks due to the distress and insolvency of insurance company that can be caused by mismanagement and or unfavorable economic conditions. Therefore, the presence of the policy guarantee program is expected to provide certainty in the payment of benefits, claims, thus protecting policyholders from the risk of operational failure of insurance company. This is certainly crucial to foster consumer confidence in the credibility of the national insurance industry sector, while simultaneously encourage the society's interest to utilize insurance products and services. In order to support the establishment of policyholders guarantee program, OJK has been actively involved in the discussion to address various implementation process, especially in terms formulating the financial criteria of insurance company that can participate in the program, and type of insurance products and policies that can be guaranteed by the program. In this case, OJK expects that all insurance companies to be able to maintain its financial soundness as a necessary precondition to join the program in the initial phase. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, before closing this remark, allow us to convey the highest appreciation to AUI for its strategic and important role in promoting the growth and development of Indonesia's insurance industry. Hopefully, AUI can continue its positive impact in the future to work together with all industry stakeholders in building a sound, trustworthy, professional, and competitive insurance industry so that this industry could contribute more to the Indonesian economy, especially in creating a more resilient society.